I'm joined now by Bradley from Herma UK to take us through some of their classic machinery, which has been here for years, but also a really brand new piece of technology, which I'm very excited to learn about. But first, Bradley, are you okay? How's PPMA going?
Yes, it's going very good. It was relatively quiet yesterday, but today it's really picked up. The quality of leads has been good, and it's been good to catch up with some old faces.
Fantastic. Okay, so let's start off then by talking a bit about Herma UK, because I know you're the UK branch of Herma, but tell us a bit more about that, and for anyone who may not know exactly what you do, let us know.
So Herma is a family-owned business founded in 1906. We make labelling machines and also self-adhesive material. So that's what I just want to show you around to here. That's kind of what sets us apart from our competition, in that we kind of cover all bases in terms of, like I said, labelling machines and the self-adhesive material. Herma UK were founded towards the turn of the century, so around 2000, it was about 30 years ago. And that's where Herma UK have come from. Fantastic.
And I know you mentioned that you've been busy today. When I came over earlier, like all your team were just sitting there going, oh, I'm exhausted. It's been such a busy day. So has it been great meeting some of your existing clients, but also potentially new ones? Is that we had a good networking day?
Yeah, so obviously we work with a lot of companies around anyway that are exhibiting. So it's been good to see them, but it's been, in terms of the footfall coming through, it's been pretty much new customers. So it's been a really nice balance.
Fantastic. Well, let's then go through exactly what it is that you offer. So no behind us here, in fact, let's walk over this way, just so we can get a nice shot of what's going on. So we've got a couple of your classic machines, the ones that people are going to know and recognise. I think it's the two at the front here, and then we'll go and explore the new one. But what's going on here?
So this is a Herma C-Wrap labeler. So this is essentially for bakery, poultry, red meat, anything that needs, and also sushi, by the way, so a nice product.
I was going to say, a favourite by any chance?
Yeah. So what happens on this machine, the product comes onto this conveyor belt, probably from something upstream like a check weigher. The product will come through, a label drop down in between the gap in the conveyor, where the label is then applied through the top, front and the bottom of the product.
Really simple, but really effective. And also, I'm very impressed that you haven't broken into them yet to snack on them, seeing as we're in day 2.
There's quite a lot in the cupboard.
Okay. Fine. These are just the spare ones for if you run out. Brilliant. And what have we got? We're going to go on we're dragging you around, Ollie, all the way over here. So Bradley, what have we got here?
So, RFID labelling system. So in the industry at the moment, well, I say in industry, in society at the moment, protection of product is becoming quite a big thing with shoplifting, etc. I believe everything that's over £5 in a store, they're looking to put an RFID label onto, or an RFID tag. So this type of applicator can be integrated into any type of machine, which actually makes the label, inserting the RFID tag into the label, so you can't remove it. So then, obviously, going into a supermarket, that makes their product protected.
Yeah, absolutely, but still doesn't take away from the vision of the product, what people are used to.
Yeah, absolutely. So, this will, like I said, this will be integrated into a machine before. Yeah.
Yeah, nice. I think that's really, it's an interesting one because it can then develop with the customers and what they need, depending on the demand.
This specific thing is more of a demonstration.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So not necessarily what, it's not showing the labels or the sleeves.
But it's there for as and when.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, what I'm most excited about is us heading over to the other side of your stand. You've got a rather big stand this year as well. Hey, not making it easy for you having to wander around.
No.
No. Get your steps in though. Brilliant. So what have we got here? Because this is something brand new that you're bringing to PPMA to showcase. So talk us through it.
So it is a robotics product handling machine, also then integrated into our labelling machine.
Yeah.
So everyone's seen Herma do labelling.
Yep.
What they've not necessarily seen is Herma do product handling.
Ah, I see. So now you're bringing both to your customers and you're showcasing it here. Shall we have a little demo?
Absolutely.
Okay, so just by a touch of the button and we're off.
Some vacuum nozzles which will come round, and you'll see they'll pick up the 4 bottles at the front. They'll then deliver that to the conveyor belt. And then what's really fascinating about this part is that inside those side belts, there's a camera above it which is imaging the nozzle, and then the side belts are twisting the product so it then sits in the correct orientation to then apply the label to the product in orientation.
So there's consistency throughout the product.
Consistency and accuracy, mainly sort of for the cosmetic industry. So your sort of premium hand wash products where you want the label to line up with a print that's already on the bottle or like I say, the nozzle. So there's many uses for that. That technology is really for the here and now. And we sort of see this as, it can be for the here and now as well, but it's probably more of a 2, 3, 4, 5 year strategy for us. Typically you don't see robotics in the middle of a production line. You normally see them at the very beginning or the very end. The thing is, we've noticed in the industry, there's a lot of operators moving something from one place to another. We think that can be automated, so that's what Herma are here to help people on their way.
And hopefully it will be exceptionally successful, because I can understand how this, when it comes to, like you said, that consistency, getting things done, automation, all those buzzwords that we're hearing at the moment, can really help your customers push their business forward.
Yeah.
Amazing. And why is it important then that you brought this down to PPMA?
Basically to showcase what we're capable of, because people aren't aware. People know that we do labelling, like I've said. People aren't aware that we do the robotic side of things. Everybody loves it, which is, I mean, we've done it quite cleverly, so everybody walks through down this aisle and it catches a lot of eyes, so it's nice to be able to bring it along, grabs a lot of people onto the stand, so not only does it give us opportunities for that, obviously our bread and butter as well.
Yeah, absolutely, and I love that. So not just about labelling, also about machinery as well. So do stop by, come and have a chat with the team at Herma UK and see how well you can integrate their machinery and their technologies and the automation into your business, and hopefully, yes, have a long working relationship. Thank you very much.
Thank you.